Hi guys, back with you, and today's build we're going to make this from the Intro to Robotics set. It's a windmill which can be controlled very simply through the slider function of the Meccano app controls or through the infrared sensor. Now the reason for doing this one is that, well, first of all, it's a nice quick build and I don't feel like doing anything massively complicated because I'm lazy. But also, I'm following up on a post made on the Rust Bucket forum by Dr. Jonkers. Sorry for the delay, John, but getting to it now. Where he suggested that there has been some lack of reliability on the infrared motors, and we're going to try and find out if that's across every infrared motor or if some are better than others. With my buying of the number 10 set and 2 or 3 Intro to Robotics sets after that, I find myself with quite a few infrared sensors, so I'm going to build this in this video, just for this video to do the build, and then later on I'm going to use this as the rig for testing out various infrared sensors and seeing if we can get better results on one than the other, or if they are all consistently crap with it, which, to be honest with you, is my expectation given the feedback that's coming on so far. But, you know, let's put that to the test and try and get some data behind it. So I shall be cribbing from John's program for the, John's post for the program for this, because my programming skills are nowhere near as good as John's, and he got a program that worked. So thanks very much, John. Enjoy the rest of the video. So just taking a quick look at the plan, this is what I think I'm going to need. So it's not a big build, not a lot of parts. I actually quite like this. It doesn't give you the step-by-step stuff that kids have grown used to nowadays. You've got to, you know, have a look and pull the pieces together and do it from a smaller drawing. And whilst that's probably not the way to go, just taking it from a couple of photographs without step-by-step instructions, it does take it back a little bit to what I was used to doing in the vintage stuff, where all you got was a couple of photographs and had to fend for yourself. So, you know, it's probably not a good way for Meccano to go, but it brings back a bit of nostalgia for those things. So anyway, let's crack on, put this together. Shouldn't take that long. And then, as I say, this video is just the build of this, and then the next video will test a lot of different infrared sensors to see where that goes. Okay, cheers. Right, so here we are with the windmill built up. We've got the programming on this and connected up. Let's see what happens when we launch. The motor should spin by itself first of all. And there we are, it's spinning by itself. And then when it stops, should that? I'm not sure if that's getting anything with the infrared. But I don't think there should be a weight loop in this for a while. Anyway, that's the windmill made up from the perspective of we've got a windmill that's actually moving. So yeah, that's the end of this video basically, and then we will take a look into the vagaries of the IR sensors in the next video and see how they go. So thanks very much. See you later.